Hello everyone. I am Pawan Kumar Gupta, Assistant Professor in Department of Information Technology, Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research, Indore. Today's topic is C++ programming, and in this we are going to write our very first program in C++ program. Now contains why learn C++ program. Second one is tools you needed. Then third is Hello World program. Fourth one is understanding the code. Fifth one is taking user input. Then next one is using conditions. Then summary of what we learn. Then what is we next. So why should you learn C++ program? It's known for its speed and flexibility. Companies use it to build everything from operating system like Windows, Linux, uh, etc. To high-end program and simulation software. Learning C++ strength using logic and introduction you to programming at the system level. Before we writing any code, we need an environment to write a work in. I recommend Dev C++, block code, then Turbo C++, but Turbo C++ work on 32-bit operating system, and block code blocks and Dev C++ work on the 64 and 32 bit, as well as all other machines also. So if you are working for offline mode, so I recommend you use Dev C++ on your PC. On you can simply go to or you can go to the online compiler like Replit, then program is then Greeks and Greeks. You This type of compiler we do not want these compiler do not want any installation in the your PC, so you don't have to install anything on your PC. So if you going to online, then just write your code and compile it, and you can see how it run real time machine. Let's start with the classic Hello World program. This small program print a line of text on the screen. It helps you test if you set up work and given your first hands-on experience writing and running C++ code. So here is the program. Has include IOStream, int main, then curly braces, cout, hello world, then int line, then return 0, then curly braces off. Now let's break down what this code means. First line is has include IOStream, which means has is a preprocessor which tells compiler to include this line in the program. So here is a input include is a keyword here which tells compiler to include a header file which written on just uh, after the include. So has include IOStream. IOStream means we have header file. Because in all high level language we have input, output, and working process. So this header file tells I input, IO, input, output, and stream. So I means input, O means output, then stream means console prompt. So next line is int main. So the main function is the starting point of every C++ program. Uh, Main function tells all program have the main function. If there is no main function, so our compiler does not have any output, does not have any meaning of the program. So every program has one function which called main function. Now every function has its definition. So main function has its definition, which starting from uh, curly braces. Then next line is a cout. So cout means console. Here C is indicate for console. Then out means output. To cout means console output. And uh, after this we have an operators which called shift operator. Then this is uh, left shift operator which include all the string in a cout, means we have output in a console prompt. So here we have double braces which means quotes, double quotes included hello world. Then last we have int l. This means int line. So next one is a return zero, because we are writing return zero because we have int main. So this we have to write return zero. If we are good programmer or with a good learner, so we have to include return zero in all the program if we using int main. Then after completing the code of main function, so we have to close the curly braces. So here is the curly braces off. Now just write or compile this program. We have do not we don't show the error. So just uh, going for run the program. So if we run this program, we have this output which showing in a console prompt which have hello world. Now, taking user input. Now, let's personalize our program. Here we declare a variable called name. Use scene to get the user's input and then display a greeting. You just create an interactive program. This is how user input and output work in C++. So let's start. Has includes IOStream, which is our first line in the program, where hash is preprocessor, include is the keyword, then iostream is a header file, then using namespace std. If we do not want to write this line, so when we use cout scene, so we include std, then double colon, then we write cout. So our program will run successfully. Then next line is int main. As we know, every program has the one function which called main function. Then body of the main function. Here we written string name. So we included a name variable which is string data type. So we want to take our input from users. So let firstly we tell the user to enter your name. So we have written a cout, then enter your name. So by this our program show the message on the console prompt, so user can enter the name. So for this enter the name, we have written scene then name, which is variable of the string data type, then cout welcome name. In this we have using welcome is as a string, then name is a variable which have string data type. So By compiling this program, compiler does not have any error. So we have successfully write the error-free program. So let's run this program. Uh, Firstly, for running this program in Dev C++, we use F11. So let's run. So while running this program, we have output in console form like enter your name. Then user must enter his name in after the message. If after the entering the name of his uh, name, just enter by entering the in output. So we have the output of welcome. Just after that his name is showing. Thank you.